generation. I remember way back, you ain't have no swag. You did a little research, now you got a moon bag. Now you got a new walk, now you got new swag. You did a little research, now you got a moon bag.
What is going on, trading monkeys? Eagle here, and I want to thank you for coming to my jungle. First of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I professional in blockchain technology. But there is one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give my opinion. So today, we are coming in hot on XDC Xinfin, baby. We have some breaking news that we're also going to get into the charts. But before we can even get to it, I'm going to need you to rub them hands together. Real vigorously. Slide down Twitter. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in hot from Trading Monkeys, BlackRock just copped one of Europe's top private credit lenders, Krios, which is epic news for XDC. We are talking trade tech's workflow automation. Coming in hot from the XDC Foundation, we got Trade Tech delivered another example of how they're leveraging the XDC network to bring fully regulated financial assets into the world of blockchain. And so before we get to the Securitize news, can we look at the charts real quick, ladies and gentlemen? Over here at TradingView, we're talking XDC on the 4 hour. Now, I put a baseline here at 0.5. And ladies and gentlemen, when I took my fib out, I went from the top of the trend and I scaled that all down to the bottom, right? And guess what? You have the 0.5 laying exactly where I put my baseline. Absolutely off the chain how this stuff works. Now, we're talking about XDC, ladies and gentlemen. You see it has two touch points right here, right at the 618. You got 2 touch points. This looks like a beautiful opportunity to come on in, but we shall see. I'm looking forward to come down just a little bit lower so I can grab up some more XDC. But it all depends on what happens with Bitcoin. And ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget all the upgrades that XDC has coming down the pipe. And then we got this coming in hot from a Securitize co-founder and president. Securitize is also proud to announce our support for the XDC blockchain, which joins Avalanche and Polygon as a blockchain of choice for the digitization of a new world and traditional financial products. Well, let's have a look then. Coming in hot from financial IT, Trade Tech launches U.S. Treasury bond token on the XDC network. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you again, what are they building? So we got here Trade Tech, the marketplace for private credit and real assets and provider of securitization as a service. Today announced the ability for accredited investors to get access to multi-billion-dollar exchange-traded U.S. Treasury yield fund, USTY. Okay, the new USTY token is significant because it expands low-cost access to the yield generated by an institutionally managed U.S. Treasury fund ETF in a digitally native format. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see the cohesion with the XDC Xinfin network? And also, before I forget, I've spoken about Securitize before on this channel. Right here, access the most exclusive asset class in the world, private markets. But another thing, if you look at their investors, ladies and gentlemen, who do they have riding with them? You got down here, SBI Holdings, blockchain.com, Morgan Stanley, and right to your left, you got Ripple. And it all runs on the XDC Xinfin network, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about enterprise-ready hybrid blockchain for global trade and finance. Step 1, clean the wax out your ears. And step 2, turn the volume up.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying body swift, keep it walking. Respect your elders in these bushes. Bitcoin is talking.
You don't have to be rich to be taking advantage of this. This was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II.
Blockchain. We talking about an intellectual choo-choo train. It's DLT up in these streets, man. That's why we rip all on that blockchain.